A little more than 1 year ago, NASA scientists started sharing images from the new James Webb Space Telescope. The most recent image shows how our universe is still growing. Newswatch 16's John Hickey explains this incredible new discovery in this week's Skywatch 16.
It's just been really exciting. It's, the cutting edge feat of engineering observatory that's really opening up new eyes in the universe.
That's a very excited Dr. Taylor Hutchison. She's an astrophysicist with NASA. We had an online chat about the James Webb Space Telescope.
Every single image that we take, we're seeing more features and more detail and more faint light than we were ever expecting.
A new image released on the 1-year anniversary of James Webb being in space shows how the universe is still growing.
So what you're looking at is actually the closest star-formed region to Earth. This is called Rho Ophiuchi, and what you're seeing are about 50 young stars that are in the process of forming and growing.
NASA scientists can see this star farm region because the James Webb Telescope uses infrared light to see into space.
You see these like horizontal and vertical, really bright red bands that kind of look like lava. These are actually jets of material that are being spewed out from stars that are forming in different regions.
Dr. Hutchison says NASA scientists are seeing just the tip of the iceberg in space observation with the James Webb.
Astronomers love to push the limits of things, and so we're going to continue to try and push this telescope as far as we can to, look as far back in time as we can, or as in detail as possible at the atmospheres of exoplanets, or trying to find as many stars as possible.
Want to check out the latest images from the James Webb Space Telescope? We have a link to them in this story on our website, WNEP.com. With this week's Skywatch 16, John Hickey, Newswatch 16.